Welcome to our step-by-step guide to building intelligent AI agents using Copilot Studio. Please note that AI-generated content may be incorrect, so always validate your results. This tutorial provides an overview of Copilot Studio and AI agents, referencing official Microsoft documentation and expert guides to help you get started. Copilot Studio is a low-code platform for building AI agents, accessible to both technical and non-technical users. These agents are composed of multiple topics for managing tasks and conversation flows, leveraging generative AI and natural language processing. Copilot Studio supports integration across Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, Power Pages, and many other channels. Effective AI agents start with careful planning. Begin by defining your agent's purpose and the workflows it will support, ensuring the agent delivers meaningful business value. Identify the specific tasks your AI agent will handle, such as customer support or form assistance. Map out workflows and interactions, select deployment channels like Teams or SharePoint, and plan the data access and automation your agent will need. Building agents in Copilot Studio is streamlined with the Describe and Configure tabs, referenced in Microsoft's official documentation. The Describe tab uses natural language input for agent creation, perfect for non-technical users. The Configure tab allows manual edits for advanced control. Both tabs synchronize changes, offering flexibility and ease for all users. Designing effective conversations is key to successful AI agents. This involves creating topics and managing dialogues to ensure a seamless user experience. Topics organize agents into focused conversation flows, using trigger phrases and branching logic. Fallback topics handle unexpected inputs, while entities and variables maintain context. Adaptive cards and multiple-choice questions further enhance user engagement. A powerful AI agent connects to relevant data sources and automates tasks. Let's look at how Copilot Studio supports this integration. Copilot Studio connects AI agents to internal documents, Dataverse tables, and external files for context-aware responses. Flows and triggers automate tasks, and over 1,400 connectors, including REST APIs, extend integration options. Adaptive cards visually display information for better interaction. Testing and refining your AI agent is essential. Copilot Studio offers tools for iterative improvement and structured instruction. Copilot Studio's built-in testing interface lets you simulate conversations and validate agent behavior. The Agent Instruction Lab helps define roles and responses, supporting continuous improvement for consistency and accuracy, ensuring agents meet user expectations. Finally, deploy your agent and manage its security and governance to maintain integrity and scalability according to organizational standards. Publish agents across Teams, SharePoint, Power Pages, and web chat for broad accessibility. Security is managed using enterprise frameworks like Azure Active Directory. Centralized admin portals allow you to define permissions and roles, ensuring secure and scalable operations. Follow best practices and explore learning resources for continuous improvement. Let's review some recommendations for maximizing AI agent effectiveness. Start with a proof of concept and develop your agents iteratively. Collaborate with both business users and developers, monitor usage, and keep content updated. Use Microsoft's training resources and explore real-world use cases like resume parsing and form assistance for inspiration.